In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Wine on Linux Mint. So in order to do that, I have in here this thread from this user asking how do they run Wine on Linux Mint. They install it using the software manager, but when they click on launch, it does not launch and it's not shown anywhere on their computer. So for this case, having here some discussions. Wine itself is not a launcher like Steam, nor does it even have a GUI. It runs on Windows executable and translates its Win32 API calls equivalent Linux calls. So for this case, you can use Lutris, which is having a good GUI front end for running Windows programs through Wine. So you can click on this Linux or Lutris right here, and you can play all your games right here. Just head over and click on this download option, and once you have done that, you can head over and install it. Lutris is a video game preservation platform aiming to keep your video game collection up and running for the years to come. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.